Hello friends, be happy. Are there many revolutions regarding meditation spread in the society? Or have we spread it ourselves? Or have the Babas spread it? I've been wondering for years. In the midst of Babas, Pandits and contractors of alleged religion, they have created such an atmosphere that no one can find God. This is very difficult but impossible to achieve. Those who find God are rare. They have already come from above. The brethren spread the word about themselves through their disciples. But after years of wandering, I found a guru who explained the correct way of the path or penance. Just walked and meditated. He descended into infinite depths. It is impossible to write or put into words what I saw and I saw inside. Only gestures can be made. I am indebted to them, which can never be repaid. That is, if I am indebted to my Guru, then I can say with a claim that neither Mahavir, nor Buddha, nor Kabir, nor anyone else was more special or special than you. You also have the same intellect that the Mahatmas had. The only difference is that we can't learn to love, or we can't learn to love. Friends, this is the game of love. No one was ever created to have a God. Every human being has as much dignity as they were or are. You are as capable as anyone else. But we're very smart people. We made Mahavira a god. Mahavir never said he was a god. We made the Buddhas incarnate so that we could be ordinary. We made someone the son of God so that we could be ordinary. We gave these gods our own high status so that we could be ordinary, so that we could sleep in a deep sleep and we could say that waking up is the work of some special people. Or is it a specific person? We are ordinary people. We can't do this. Then how will we know that we are not all ordinary human beings? As if in every middle there is the possibility of a vast substance hidden, one day for each seed. There has to be a big fast. You can also find God. You can also be Buddha, Mahavir, Kabir, etc. You can find that ultimate element, but you won't know it until you wake up. As soon as your consciousness awakens, you will know that you are not improving. As if until the seedling does not sprout in the seed, it seems that you do not know whether there is a tree in it or not, but there is no seed that does not have life. You have to learn to wake up. You have to learn the art of dying. Kabir Sahib says, Jivant Mariye Bavjal Tariye, means that the deeper he dives in the water, he will be able to bring as many pearls that are sitting on the shore. They won't get anything. Life will be ruined. Kabir Sahib used to die every day because he was dying. Now the question arises, how will this happen? Where do you know all these tips are simple things that if you want to know anything, then the Guru. Where can we find a Guru who can give us such rare knowledge? If you go to find a Guru, you will be raised by fake Gurus. You will find the Master. So it's not difficult, it's impossible. The Master seeks the disciple himself. Just sit alone with your eyes closed whenever you have time and remember God. as the curiosity to know reaches its peak. Deep love will awaken, Vairag will come, Guru will appear. So, friends, trust me, you too are just as special above what I say. Others have won. You too can know God, but His way. His way is to save the hour or rub the forehead. Nothing is going to happen to Him. You will have to do it practically. You will have to take advice from a perfect guru, and then you will do penance on him. So now all things will come before you. And then you will know that what I was saying is true. You have been a bad person. No matter how bad you have been in life, it is this society that makes us bad. We are not evil. God did not create us such. So I hope you have understood my point. Then the result is loving, the result is happy, stay populated.